Hello and welcome back to another episode of Literacy Lunch. My name is Miss Renee and today I'm going to show you a fun activity to teach the E to ING rule, also known as the silent E rule, that'll help your student better understand the concept. This simple activity is used directly for the E to ING lesson. Students learn that when a word ends in a magic E, in order to add the suffix ing, they will need to drop the E at the end of the word. For example, the word drive becomes driving because they dropped the E. This activity will help students better understand that concept. Before we get started, make sure you go ahead and give this video a thumbs up and share it with your friends and fellow teachers. That way more people can see what we're doing here at Literacy Lunch. To do this activity, you're going to need a whiteboard and some popsicle sticks. Also something to write with. To start, first write the suffix ing on the popsicle sticks. Feel free to have your student decorate or color them for more fun. Next, write the root word or words on the whiteboard that the students will be practicing. And that is all you need, so let's start on the activity. First, you're going to have your student read the root word or words on the whiteboard that you provided. Next, they're going to take their popsicle stick with the suffix ing and place it over the E, creating a new word. Then have them read the word out loud. Keep going until all the words on the list have been covered. Students will be able to visually see the E being taken away and being replaced with the ing. This engages more than one sense at a time, which helps learning become more fun and memorable. Give it a shot and let us know how it goes in the comments below. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more fun activities that you can do with your student. Thanks so much for tuning in to another episode of Literacy Lunch, and I'll catch you next time.